What's up guys, CJ here. So in this video we are going to have a look at Hyperliquid live execution for the trades. And just with MT5, where you can have multiple accounts linked to your RealmForge, you can also have multiple account links with your Hyperliquid account. You have two choices. You can either create sub accounts or you can use just a different email address and open a new account and just get those API details from that. Once inside your portal, I want to open the lens first, and then you open our portal. First thing, make sure you have your account selected, in this case the Hyperliquid one. Then get the symbol you want to trade, set it as an asset, wait for it to load. There we go. So since it was last set on entry, there we go. Now that's off. Okay. Next thing, let's have a look at our Hyperliquid exchange Bitcoin. I've got this on Bitcoin. Same thing as we did with the MT5. So I'm not going to use StrikeLink. I'm going to close this Hyperliquid. I'm going to set this as, let's link this to the market entry. And then we have our stop loss. You see, yes, this PDH, it stands for previous day's high. That is what it stands for. Previous day's high, previous day's low, previous week's high, previous week's low. I've got all those in there. Okay, so it's a market order. It's long. Our volume, in Hyperliquid's case, I'm going to use $10 risk. The minimum is $5. And my leverage on Hyperliquid is 10x. Here you can preset your leverage. Just make sure that on Hyperliquid, the symbols, all of them have different leverage maximums, if I can put it that way. So just to show you this execution, then we're going to click activate. Just going to review your order details. And then we are going to execute. There we go. Already executed. There's our stop loss. Order executed. It took like a couple of seconds. And there's our profit target already added. Then, okay, so you've seen that. So then we close here. Then we can go out here. You see now we've got two open positions. We've got the current one, the MT5 one, and then we've got the Hyperliquid one. Now let's have a look at the Hyperliquid one first. So we just wait for the chart to open. And here is our position already displayed. The same position we've got here. Boom. Already displayed. So let's have a look. If we move our stop or our take profit, let's move it closer to, let's see. Now we just wait for it to update. It's going to disappear. Nothing happened. Coming back, your stop loss has been updated. Or your take profit, rather. That's it, guys. So this is how you can switch between both of these trades. Let's just get back to this one. And that is how you can manage all of these. You know, so there is that trade now again. Look, instant. And if it's not instant, it takes a couple of seconds, but it's usually very, very fast. Okay, guys, that's the Hyperliquid execution. So a little bit quicker than the MT5 one, but the MT5 one had more details in them. But that's it. So the same thing here counts. Exactly the same, whether the stop is below, above your entry. That will determine whether it's long or short. Right click will determine whether it's a market order or a stop order. So everything is literally at the tips, at your fingertips, because you're using your mouse. So that's it for this one, guys. I will show you the auto Mars execution in the next one. Until then, cheers.